Hey guys, so this video is an update Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper. So it's the 2018 edition. So this one is the one that's currently out now, the Extreme Lip Plumper by Victoria's Secret. And this is crystal clear, no color, because all those other colors do not look right on me. And I'm not gonna lie to you, so let's go ahead and get this started, okay? Alright, so I'm about to apply this on my lips. So I have nothing on my lips, okay? So I'm just gonna, squeeze some of that product out, squeeze probably about that much because I have big lips here already, So, and I'm just want to see if my lips gonna get bigger, okay? So, sticky, it's still sticky. On the previous one that I made in like 2 years ago, I believe. Alright, so I think I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. It's already been about 30 seconds and I'm already feeling some tingling sensation. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, like I did a long time ago, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes later, just to see the difference. Alright, so right now we're on about 4 minutes and we're winding up to 5. I just feel burning all across the lip line, and that's what I see really getting plump, as you can see too in the camera, like right up in here, all nice and plump. So we're going on, well now it's 5 minutes, okay? So this is what it looks like at 5 minutes, and this is really plump. It feels like needles going in and out your lip. And with this product on your lips, if you can take the burning sensation, then go outside in the sun, because if you go outside in the sun with this on, it's gonna burn your lips like fire, okay? So y'all, it's been 10 minutes now, and before when I was talking, you could see my braces above my lip, but now it's like, I have to smile, get it out there. This shit is covering up my braces. Like, I'm not cool with that. I love my braces. I want everybody to see them. So, as of right now, I'm gonna say they are big as hell, okay? My lips are already big, but they just bigger. They like plumper, like standing out type shit, okay? So, with that being said, I'm gonna say this is a #1 go-getter, but if you don't want to be, burning your lips in the sun, don't avoid the sun. Avoid anything with heat, because it's gonna burn worse. I mean, right now I just feel like needles sticking. But we got 5 more minutes, y'all. Just see what 15 minutes gonna bring us. So let's wait. With it being 15 minutes later, the tingling and the needle force going back and forth starting to calm down a lot. So I say about 20 minutes, all that should be gone, ended. So I'm gonna just say that it's reached its maximum plumping point. So you can see right here that it's okay, let me stop playing. But you can see right here that it's pumping out, and it's reached its maximum limit with my big ass lips already. And if I go to work on a normal day with regular lip gloss on, and then when I put this on, they be like my lips are juicy or they popping today, then I know that this product's work for sure. So go get you one from Victoria's Secret, okay? It's only $12. I don't know everybody's taxes, but $12. So go get you one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this lip plumper video.